Welcome, today in front of me CUBOT P50 and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off Google Feed on this device. So now by swipe to the right side with our finger, we can see that the Google Discover is activated, and if you want to turn off this feature, you should hold for a while your device screen and then tap here to Home Settings. Now we can see here the Show Google App Switcher. Just to turn it off, you should click here once on the switcher, and now let's go back to the home screen and we can see that the Google Discover is turned off successfully. If you want to turn it on by the same way, just hold the screen, tap to Home Settings and click once on that switcher to show Google App again. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.